Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure firmware and drivers are current. This prevents hidden issues later. Plug the HyperX Cloud II into USB first to access the DSP and virtual surround. Once connected, open Windows Sound and set the headset as both default device and default communications device so apps route audio correctly. Then launch HyperX Ingenuity or the onboard controls. Set output to 24-bit if available and disable enhancements that conflict. These initial steps unlock more precise tuning as you continue. Now you refine tone with equalization and physical mods. In the EQ, add a controlled bass shelf near 80 to 120 Hz rather than dramatic boosts. That keeps clarity. Cut around 2 to 3 kHz if vocals or instruments sound harsh, then nudge 6 to 8 kHz for presence so detail comes forward without sibilance. After EQ, focus on the seal. Swapping to thicker ear pads or memory foam often improves bass and imaging because the headset couples better to your ears. Listen and iterate. Finish by optimizing the chain and validating results. If onboard USB sounds thin or noisy, add a compact DAC/amp or higher quality USB dongle to improve dynamic range and lower noise floor. Play familiar reference tracks and your favorite game scenes, then tweak master and mic mix levels in 1 or 2 dB steps until balanced. Make sure mic gain isn't clipping. If you encounter static or dropouts, reseat the cable. Try another USB port, and if needed, replace the cable. This usually resolves connectivity faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.